India is known for its ancient civilization, rich culture, and humanity. Its knowledge system is widely recognized for philosophy, mathematics, and its way of life. Drawing from these traditions, Mahatma Gandhi, a global leader, founded the Gujarat Vidyapeeth in 1920 in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, in the western part of India. Currently, more than 2,500 students are enrolled across three campuses in undergraduate, postgraduate, and research programs. We have 18 departments spread across faculties such as literature and languages, science, social science, management, ICT, physical education, and education. Vidyapeeth is just not an institution, it is a platform to bring out the best in individuals, allowing them to explore and build their interests not only in sports and arts but also in community service. Every year, we organize a one-week community outreach program called Gram Jeevan Yatra, which translates to Journey to Village Life, each time with a different theme. Last year, the theme was natural farming. The target was to reach out to 18,000 villages of Gujarat, and we successfully covered more than 16,000 villages where students explained why natural farming is preferable to chemical or even organic farming, highlighting how it is cost effective, profitable, and healthy. This year, we are organizing an alumni meetup as the Alumni Association of Vidyapeeth completes 100 years. During this one-week program, our students will connect with our regional, national, and international alumni. The Gujarat Vidyapeeth grooms individuals to be self-reliant and community-driven. At the entrance of the institution, a huge spinning wheel stands as a symbol of self-reliance practices. In the pre-independence era, Indians were encouraged to boycott foreign clothes. Here, Gangaban from Bijapur, Gujarat, inspired Gandhiji to learn and use the spinning wheel to make thread from cotton, which could later be woven into the cloth. The clothes made from this thread are called khadi clothes. The students of Vidyapeeth wear khadi uniforms, and the teaching and non-teaching staff are required to wear khadi clothes during working hours. In all programs of Vidyapeeth, guests and participants are welcomed with Khadi Sutra to promote khadi and sustainability. In their first semester, the students are taught to make thread from the cotton as a part of an ability enhancement compulsory course, and from then on it becomes a part of the daily culture, practiced every day during the assembly. Another self-reliance practice introduced by Gandhiji requires students to clean the campus amenities assigned to them on daily basis. The Chancellor Acharya Devvrat ji, who joined Vidyapeeth in 2019, honors this tradition and quietly reinforces it by participating himself during his visits, setting an example for the students through his actions. Vidyapeeth has students from 18 states of India who exchange cultural ideas. Through this interaction, they grow into responsible citizens with a strong sense of national integration and social harmony. Vidyapeeth's library has an extensive collection of over 600,000 books, including rare manuscripts, reference works, and other valuable resources. We have 4 museums: Bharatiya Sanskruti Sangrahalaya, Tribal Museum, Morarji Desai Museum, and Gujarat Vidyapeeth Museum, where visitors can explore Indian history, tribal culture, Morarji Desai's life achievements, and the glory of Vidyapeeth. Vidyapeeth has a Kala Mandir, where individuals can enroll in multiple short-term courses in performing and visual arts. We also have the Vishwakarma Institute of Kaushal and Swavlamban, where individuals can develop vocational skills to become programmers, costume designers, dressmakers, and more. Vidyapeeth has the Bharatiya Bhasha Sanskriti Sansthan, where individuals can enroll in multiple short-term language learning courses, including Indian and foreign languages. Vidyapeeth offers extensive sports facilities with grounds for volleyball, basketball, handball, kabaddi, kho-kho, badminton and netball. We also have a gymnasium for fitness enthusiasts and an Olympic-sized swimming pool. Vidyapeeth has the Morarji Desai Arogya Dham, a medical center for students and staff. It also houses a naturopathy center that provides natural, drug-free therapies focusing on holistic healing to restore physical and mental well-being. Vidyapeeth has an international office for student exchange programs and international relations. We have hosted students from 10 countries across the globe for the postgraduate diploma program on Gandhian philosophy titled Gandhi Darshan. Through multidisciplinary, value-added and skill-based learning, Vidyapeeth fosters students' holistic development and global citizenship.
गुजरात विद्यापीठ गमती, गुजरात विद्यापीठ गमती, गुजरात विद्यापीठ गमती, गुजरात विद्यापीठ गमती.